What's going on, guys? Wanted to talk about the markets and my current profits and losses on the day, as well as what I project happening going into tomorrow. Okay, so today definitely was an up and down day. You got a lot of bearish movement. UVXY was definitely played on my radar. I alerted it. At 1180 on my stock twits at the Deepster 7, of course. Yeah. I alerted at 1180, went all the way to like 1320 around that range today. So that was like a solid 10 to 13, 14, 15% win. I didn't bag that though. I've been in and out of UVXY all day today because I was just really seeing a lot of volatility in terms of the market. It looked like it was going bullish at a few points, so that's why I was in and out of it. But overall, profited on the day, profited yesterday as well. So this week has been pretty solid overall. So I'm happy. At the end of the day, as long as you're profiting, it doesn't matter how much. It just matters that you are profiting and you are learning and you're continuing to build onto yourself and, you know, just really like getting comfortable, right, with your own style and sticking to your plan. And that's like the main thing about trading in general. And, okay, well, let's get into a few plays that I definitely want to keep an eye on for tomorrow. DWAC is one of them. Obviously, the Trump play. I mean, it's shown that it's been a extremely volatile play. I mean, in terms of these spikes, I mean, it's been massive. I mean, typically when it comes to Trump's plays, they tend to be a lot more volatile, and this one hasn't disappointed at all. So today down 16%, market close, and I mean tomorrow if the market continues bearish, I mean I do see a continuation to the downside, but there's definitely opportunities around these levels. Um, for an entry because I mean I do see this recovering as well as Cassava Sciences is another example. Um, how do I how do I let's just go back. We shall look it up real quick. Show you guys the chart. Cassava got absolutely desecrated today. I mean, Saba, there you go. Now let's look at this guy. So yeah, Cassava got definitely desecrated today. Um, Down close to 20% at the low, finishing off the day around $32 after market. This is incorrect. 31 is not where it closed at. It closed around like 32. But yeah, that's one of my holdings right now heading into tomorrow. I mean, obviously going to keep a close eye on it heading into free market. Um, and I mean, I really do see this recovering back to 40 and beyond. I mean, it's one of those plays that's continuously proven that it can hit these support levels right around this $30 region and just continue to the north side. So I mean, my money would be that this is going to be a bullish reversal right here. I mean, in general, like anything can happen, so you have to be prepared for that. But I mean, in terms of what we're looking at right here, this big wick to the downside, this big candle wick to the downside. I mean, you've seen a lot of selling today, but also there's been a lot of buying as well. So definitely keep that in mind. I definitely see this rebounding. It could drop even more, but I mean, an entry around these levels in low 30s is definitely a buy for me. Um, so yeah, just to recap on today, UVXY was a play, CPTN, which was one of those like ISPO, which was one of those low floater SPAC names, as well as ANGH. Both of those, they kind of all run with each other. So like I looked at CPTN, and it just looked like a very interesting entry for me. So I did around 480, got out around, oh no, sorry, I got in at 380, got out around like 410. So that was a nice quick win. Um, that was a nice quick win, real quick. And finishing the day positive. UVXY gave me a good profit, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens heading into tomorrow. I mean, you can see on the daily chart, this is right around where I purchased in this region, and then it just spiked. I mean, it was a nice win. Um, but yeah, CPTN, UVXY, Cassava Sciences, these were the main plays that were being traded by me today. Um, definitely, definitely will keep you guys posted on my watch list, and thanks, guys, for tuning in. Let me know anything you guys want me to look at. I'm more than happy to. Very volatile markets, so definitely stick to your plan and be confident. And yeah, have your stop. It's always good to have stop losses. That if you're a constant day trader and swing trader at all alike, stop losses I definitely recommend, just to prevent yourself from bag holding and being stuck in a hole. You don't want that at the end of the day. So we'll see what the futures are looking like tomorrow. I'll definitely be consistently making recap videos, and yeah. Well, welcome to the first recap video, and I hope you all were enlightened a little bit on today. And like I said, any questions, just let me know, and let's do this, guys. See you tomorrow.